Hi, my name's Javi. This is my online video study portfolio. I guess I'm just going to be tracking over the next couple of weeks, couple of months, my sort of journey towards clouds. I'm currently studying Linux and hoping to get my Linux Essentials certification. And having got my A+, Network Plus, and Security Plus certifications, my next kind of goal, now that I've had a couple of years in the industry, is to focus on cloud, start learning cloud technologies, start moving in that direction, begin to sort of dip my toe in AWS, learn a bit more programming. I've had some experience with Python in the past, mainly at school and college, doing some sort of like small projects, just small applications, things like that. But I really wanted to be able to bring that knowledge into some kind of infrastructure as code, learn how to properly use containerization over virtualization, because I've gotten very comfortable with like Hyper-V, VirtualBox, ESXi. I've had a lot of experience with those over the past couple of months professionally. So I think that taking that knowledge and bringing it into containerization, obviously with web apps and most applications now being run in containers, I think all of that being automated then, completely orchestrated remotely, I think that's the way that the future is going. So I want to be able to display my experience that I've had previously in a bit of an online portfolio, go through some projects following Gwyn Pena's Learn to Cloud.guide. So she's laid out an incredible setup of sort of learning resources in order to be able to take steps in the right direction towards cloud literacy. I think the role in mind is kind of cloud engineer, cloud administration, which is the next role that I'm really hoping to get into. So I think by following that guide, reading the books she suggests, doing the projects that she has laid out, I think will be a really good hands to sort of actual application of the skills that I've been learning mentally and through experience over the past couple of years. So it'll be interesting. It'll be a fun set of projects. I'm going to be streaming a lot of my studies on YouTube, so hopefully I'll meet a couple of people there that are also going down the same route. My hope is that I meet a lot of people that are sort of further up the food chain that already have experience in cloud or have good like automation and programming skills, so that I can try and sap some knowledge from them. But it's going to be fun. It's a bit of fun. I don't know whether I'll be consistent with it. I hope I will. The idea is to sort of at least stream for an hour a day. I'll be studying for longer than that, but I think being able to chat with a couple of people maybe for about an hour on my studies, it'll be a fun experience. And it'll be a good way for myself to track where I've come from. Currently, my Linux skills are meager, to say the least. I'm only used to sort of baseline installations and GUIs. I did a bash course not too long ago on Codecademy, which got me some kind of ground knowledge of basic sort of moving MV, LS, CD, changing directories, making directories, some basic permissions, using like Nano to edit some text files, that kind of thing. Nothing too complex. There was also some networking stuff. Obviously, with your Network Plus and your Security Plus, you do a lot of troubleshooting. So there was a lot of using the command line, having to know like Linux commands for being able to diagnose certain problems on different types of machines. So if there's a server that's gone offline, trying to sort of work your way up the TCP/IP stack to be able to work out exactly what the issue is. So I've had some experience in the past, but I've now actually started a study course, a video course by Jason Dion for the Linux Essentials. So the idea is to get through that entire course, finish that course, hopefully stream it on camera, and be able to do a couple of projects on the way and be able to apply all those skills. The goal is in 2.5 weeks, just under 3 weeks, to actually book in fact, I need to do it today. I need to book in my exam, my Linux Essentials exam. Hopefully smash that out first time. If not, obviously spend a couple of weeks learning a bit more and go back to it, but hopefully do it first time and then continue on after that with some scripting, learning some shell scripts, some bash scripts, and following Gwyn's learn2cloud.guide. I'm not taking the YouTube part of this too seriously, but I am focusing all in on the study. But we'll see. If I meet some people along the way and I have some good conversations and learn some knowledge and get to send some knowledge to other people also in this position looking to gain some more certifications, then it will have been worth it. So hopefully I will see some of you guys on the streams, and happy studies.